Hey, it's Rob at EMPI. You know I'm not a doctor, but what you need in your diet, more magnesium. That's why EMPI is launching all new, all EMPI Long Block Plus magnesium version AS41 case. Let's tell you about the 3 flavors we have. The 1600cc part number 980490B. Make sure and share that with your EMPI dealer when you're ready to pick up your Mag Plus. You've got the forged crank. You've got a 8-pin 200mm flywheel. You've got all the goodness that you would find in our standard long block. So those are AutoLinea cylinder heads, 3-angle valve job on the Rottler machine by Anthony Chica. You're getting those OSFAT OE style valves and the hardened seats. The 1600, everything you want, everything you need, now with magnesium. Let's talk about the 1776, that part number 980492B. Make sure and share that with your EMPI dealer. So again, AS41 case. We've got the AutoLinea dual port cylinder heads, 3-angle valve job on the Rottler by Anthony Chica, and Manley stainless steel valves and hardened seats. So the 1776, that little extra upgrade, more power, more torque. Then let's talk about the 1914, so the big boy, right? So that's part number 980494B. All of that, more displacement, Manley stainless valves, AutoLinea dual port cylinder heads, Anthony Chica's handwork. And oh, by the way, did I mention that they are all assembled by Mr. Jack Sacchette? You know him, you love him. He builds all these engines by hand. So if you're looking to get your Volkswagen back on the road, maybe a little magnesium will help you. Talk to your EMPI dealer today. They can get you the dose that's just right for you.
I'm Jack Sacchette and I approve this message.